Morning, guys. Welcome to Coffee Chat. Mm. Oh, that is just so good. And on a Monday morning when we all need it, that is for sure. And this Monday morning, guys, wow, I'll tell you what. hmm Guys, I am reading a bunch of articles right now, and it's talking about how a lot of countries like Japan and Australia and that are only weeks away from being totally depleted in their oil reserves. Now, listen, we are watching the price of oil per barrel just go bonkers. And of course, you have people that, at the pump, they can't even afford gas to fill their cars, so they're taking a bike or they're walking or this and that. Well, guys, this is going to translate in a big inflationary result for practically all the things that we use, right? And I'm recommending that folks get out there and get themselves prepared. Look, if you have, a little bit extra and you want to fill up your pantry, now would be the time. Do not wait until the panic comes, because when it does, guys, the shelves will be empty. I do believe that. Unless this thing gets resolved and quick, and even then, there's going to be a pinch. You're going to watch a lot of panic happen around the wide world, especially if you get these countries that get completely depleted in their oil reserves. Whoa, wait and see, because guys, I'm going to tell you what, it's the blood of the whole economy of the wide world when you're thinking about how things move, right? Because industry requires it. Now, there's a lot of conjecture going on about, how it's all going to play out. But one way or another, we are not going to just roll back over to normal just like that. That is for sure. So being prepared is going to make a difference. Now, something else that I think in this space, you and I should be paying big attention to. If we ever saw a situation where we could see the unwinding of this whole carry trade over there with Japan, this has got to be it. Because look, guys, you could see the price of oil jump, to $150, maybe $200. I've even heard people say $300 a barrel oil. Well, you see a $300 a barrel oil, I'm telling you what, that should send shivers right up your spine. Because, guys, the whole markets, all these markets are going to suffer big time. And you watch and see if this Japanese carry trade actually reverses, and they do that, they raise those rates and all that with the inflationary pressure that they're feeling, then I'm telling you what, we're going to find out if this domino theory is going to play out. That's right there for sure. Boy, oh boy. hmm Because in a situation like that, they're going to need on-demand liquidity. And of course, a country like Japan is utilizing XRP big time. And a lot of folks out there really do believe that they see this unwinding. It could cause the price of XRP to literally explode. And you know what, guys? It happens when you won't even think about it. When you're not even thinking about it, you watch explosions happen in this space for what? It seems like no reason whatsoever. And that's where you've got to be strategic in it. And even if that does not happen, look, some of the utility that we're getting to see right now with over 100 plus national banks around the wide world testing XRP and the XRP ledger for its facility. That's what's going on right now. And get this, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has recently come out, and they've moved even a step closer to giving Ripple that permanent banking license to be a national trust bank. And the doors that is going to open for Ripple. Now, we know they went out and bought G Treasury, does trillions of dollars worth of transactional volume per year across border remittance, doesn't even use blockchain for it. And now they're able to, get out there and promote that with those clients. We're seeing all of these other dominoes fall. Guys, we could be moved into a new digital system faster than you can imagine now. And one other article that I saw there had to do with KYC on the ledger and protecting privacy with this 0 point, contact and privacy, where literally they can validate your identity without having to reveal all your information. And get this, they're going to incorporate DNA into that KYC to tokenize our DNA. I mean, that right there should tell you practically everything you need to know. For me, it tells me two things. Number one, most of the stuff that I heard as a kid, knee-high to a grasshopper in Sunday school right up till now, wow, is it ever coming to pass? Another big one is the opportunity it's going to represent. There will be a very small window of opportunity. This could be our last chance to truly get into a situation so early that it could transform the fortunes of our lives. Look, I'll tell you what, I know we're in the space a lot and, we get desensitized to it. And the idea is, well, everybody knows. Guys, I'm going to tell you, no, most people don't know. 90+% of the people out there in the wide world are oblivious to what's going on with distributed ledger technology and this space they are, and the new digital economy that's coming upon us. But the thing is this, it is going to affect their everyday lives. They are going to be interacting with it. They're going to be utilizing it. They're going to be involved with it. The application, it is going to be crazy. Do you not think that that would represent, if you brought billions of users into the system, a major opportunity for those of us that have been able to get in as early as we have and get ourselves invested into these protocols? My gosh, that is insane when you look at the value proposition of what it's going to represent. And we can see it, that you literally, this information you can actually find out for yourself. Now, I'll put the links to the articles right in the description of this video. But guys, think about that. How significant is it going to be in a crisis situation when the same people that lit the fire, burnt down this system, are the ones that show up with the hose and present the new system? Big, big, big in my mind. Wow. And this is where, guys, I have got out there and really, promoted your education of getting yourself mentally, emotionally, and strategically prepared for what's coming. Because that transition, this is a generational opportunity. In fact, I probably think it's the last opportunity that average people will ever have to see their fortunes transformed. I really do. Because when we get into this new tokenized system where bank deposits are tokenized, our information, who we are, tokenized, where every real world asset is tokenized and a tokenized system, it is completely, all those opportunities that exist in the past, they're done. They're done. It is going to be, one of those, transformative moves. Probably like, I think it's going to be so impactful. It'll be like when they invented coin thousands of years ago, right? That's how big of an impact it's going to be. Do you want to leave that to chance, or do you want to educate yourself and get ready for something that changes? I'm telling you guys, when Judy and I went through it last time, we literally did not know what we were doing, and even in our situation, it transformed our lives, and it did it in 13 months. Bang, bang, just like that. And I have got so many people now that we have taken the time to sit down with and coach them through this, to navigate this space, to truly understand it. And for the last number of weeks, I've had no coaching. I've just kind of taken it off the table, primarily because, we're getting our own, ducks in order and that kind of thing and all that. And that's something I would encourage. Don't wait. Do not wait for it to land on your doorstep before you start taking action. Don't hesitate. That procrastination is going to cost you big time. I know you don't think that way. I didn't either at the time, but it did, and it will if you do not get prepared. And I'm opening up my coaching next week. I'm going to be opening up for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can get yourself on the calendar there. That is 1 hour plus where you and I meet together personally, one-on-one over Zoom. We take a look at your portfolio. We make sure that it's balanced towards your goals. We help you to develop an exit strategy. We talk about all kinds of, not just the preservation, the accumulation of wealth, but how do you preserve it? All that kind of stuff that we throw in there, and amazing techniques that are really going to help you in the space. If that interests you, guys, you can visit me at thedigitaloutlook.com. Get yourself on the calendar, because I'm going to tell you what, when it happens, bang, that fast, there's no way that we're going to be available to kind of walk people through that. Not a chance. Why? Because we're going to be doing what we are encouraging you to do, working on our own backyard right there. And guys, I think we're that close. It's going to happen lickety split. This is just a prelude to everything. Watch and see. And you knock this down, stick it on your fridge, because guys, I'm going to tell you what, I 100% believe it is going to happen, and it is going to happen very, very fast. That's for sure. Too many things, too many dominoes are falling in the space, guys, for us not to be going there. This is exactly where they want us to go. So I'll tell you what, until later on today, going to have another fantastic video for you. Read the articles in the description and get yourself educated and get yourself on the calendar. And guys, until later on, have an absolute fabulous one and take care.